How to draw everything 100 times faster. In this video, I will sharing some my methods of effectively learning to draw short period of time. You must have seen many times on social media an artist who draw a masterpiece sketch in a few minutes. Well, how did he do it? They use the 80-20 method, which help them draw faster. You too can draw faster by using 80-20 method. First of all, let's understand what is a 80-20 method and how to use it. Well, 80-20 means 80% result and 20% efforts. This method says that 80% of the result that we get, 20% efforts. This fact is completely opposite to our normal thinking. It means we feel that the more we draw, the better we will become in drawing. Earlier, I also used to think the same. But the truth is that only a few of our actions gives us the right results. This method can be found in everything. Example, 80% of the traffic, 20% of the roads. We wear 20% of the clothes for 80% of time. There are many more such examples. 20% of the actors get 80% of the public attention. Now the number will be a little different, but this principle is said everywhere that fewer things give more output. The 80-20 rule does not teach us that we should not draw, rather it teaches us that we should stop drawing on those things which are giving us less result. In the beginning, people make this mistake that they spend more of their times and energy on those things. We give you things don't need to do much work in the beginning, like learning perspective, lighting, shadows, rendering, background, finding on your style, etc. It's important to learn this, but it's not make you draw fast. In the beginning, your main goal should be to draw better and better so that you can draw faster than before. Then after this, you should do other things and that too on those 20% where you are getting maximum results. At the first time, I thought if I draw something new every day, it will be good for me and I will able to draw fast, and that is why I try to draw everything. Many times I draw even that things which I did not enjoy much while drawing. Then after that I realized that I am wasting a lot of my time. Because of this, I am not able to do other important things which I should do, like learning 3D shapes, line, gesture drawing and basic anatomy. Actually, our brain is programmed in such a way that we think that more means better, and that is why it is better to draw a lot and learn everything at once and spend your time on everything. Focus on those things which gives you 80% result, by which you will be able to draw fast. This will save some your time to do other things. And now the second method is that if you want to draw fast and use reference as much as possible, you draw a new character, a new pose. You are trying to draw from your imagination, so always use references. You see your favorite artist, he uses all the references, so he does not face any problem in drawing and he draws in a less time. You must have seen Semdas Arts, they gives 10 minutes for sketching and then he completes his drawing in just 2 to 3 hours, and he is able to do this because he use references a lot. And other artists also do this the same. If you are also an artist and want to draw fast, then you should also use reference as much you can. Even if you are drawing a lines, use reference for that too, because you still don't know how many ways lines can be drawn. If you are confused between lighting and shadows, then you start adding lighting and shadows on your own, and a lot of your time gets wasted. So use as many references as possible. This will save your time. In this way, you will move ahead quickly and you will continue draw with more speed and consistency than before. Now many people think this is wrong, and many people say that we should draw from our imagination. So let me tell them that this is just your imagination. If this is cheating, then cheating is right, because copying requires intelligence, and the sooner you adopt it, the more you will improve. Then one day when you will be draw from your imagination. I hope you have understood this and you do not need to learn much in advance. You have to strong your basic and try to draw in a simple way. So this video ends here. I hope you learning something new. I hope enjoy this video. See you in the next video.